Okay, so hi guys, this is Teresa Brainerd. I'm not going to let you see me, I don't think. But I've been sick for the last few days, so I'm really not feeling pretty yucky. I wanted to show you guys what I just bought, so I can show you also. I haven't opened it yet. Not sure which way it goes. I opened this one side here, but I haven't opened this side. I want to show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. Sorry I haven't been on here in so long. Adam's in college. Bentley, the baby, has been with me quite a bit lately, and ouch. Anyway, there's just been so much things going on lately here that I just haven't had the time to get on here and do much of anything. Christmas is coming and stuff. There we go. It's a lot harder than it looks. Man. Okay, here we go. Let's put this stuff here. This here. Okay, I know this is going to look really funny to you guys, but to me, I am tickled to death to get it. Okay, so you guys can see this. You see what it says is on here? This is a washing machine. Here's an extra little handle here. And I want to show you guys how this thing works. I've been looking for this thing all week. And I have a washer and a dryer, a large one. But now that it's just my husband and myself, this will wash like socks and underclothes, t-shirts and things like that. And it's real simple. It doesn't take any electricity. And put this back on here real quick. Okay, you can see there's nothing in there. But how this works is it's the pressure that is what cleans the clothes. And this little crank handle, let me see, there should be two handles. Let's see if there's another one in here. Lots of these in here. Should have directions and stuff in here too. I don't see the extra one in here. I said it had an extra handle, so I guess I'll just take this one for now. Let's see. Oh, guys, I know I'm looking pretty bad. You just have to forgive me, though. Like I said, I really have been sick for the last few days. My husband, what they call Harvest Fest, which brings a couple of thousand of teenagers in, or maybe 1,500 or so. Well, anyway, you put this here. I'm not sure if I got this right. It's not on there. Hang on. Is this still going? Okay, no, it's not on. Okay, there we go. And you put this, your soap and water. I made my own homemade soap. On top of that, this thing gets really tight and it seals, and it's the pressure that cleans your clothes. It's the oh, I forgot what they call it. But, hang on. And anyway, I'll show you how it works in just a little bit. I'll put the water in it. That's that's not how it works. I didn't put it on there right. But anyway, I will get it all set up and then I'll come back, guys, okay? Alright, see you later. Bye.